we'll guide you through how to rotate table and docs. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open your preferred web browser and type docs.google.com into the address bar. Press Enter to visit Google Docs and wait for the homepage to load completely. Once the website opens, locate and open the document that contains the table you want to rotate. Next, click and drag your cursor across the entire table to highlight all rows and columns properly. Make sure the complete table is selected before moving on, because the entire table needs to be copied correctly. Once the table is highlighted, press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy the table. After copying the table, look at the top toolbar in Google Docs and click the Insert menu. Hover your cursor over the Drawing option from the drop-down menu. Then click New from the side menu to open the drawing window. Inside the drawing area, press Ctrl+V on your keyboard to paste the copied table into the drawing canvas. Once the table appears, look at the top menu inside the drawing window and click the Actions option from the toolbar. Search for the Download option in the menu and place your cursor over it. From the available file formats, select the PNG option to download the table as an image file. After the download finishes, click the Save and Close button inside the drawing window to return to your main Google Docs document. Now click on an empty area in the document where you want to place the rotated table image. After selecting the area, click the Insert menu again from the top toolbar and hover your cursor over the Image option. From the available choices, select Upload from Computer to upload the downloaded PNG table image. Browse and click the file once to select it, then click the Open button to upload the image into Google Docs. Once the image is visible, click once on the uploaded table image to select it. Resize the image if necessary so it fits properly inside your document layout. Now look for the rotation handle above the selected image. Click and hold the rotation handle with your cursor. Drag to the right if you want to rotate the table clockwise, or drag to the left if you want to rotate it counterclockwise.